have to fight your own way. Today, probably more than yesterday, but hey, even when you think you can't rethink, you can't redefine your life, you have nothing but your loyalty to live by. I assure you from the deep and deeper depths, from the essence, from the truthful essence of being, you are free. And let me make this clear. You think you are the only one who feels, who can't get near to his dreams easily, who can't perceive the daylight in these dark times. I assure you, let me assure you, it's not only you, it's all of us, but you must shine. You are free, you are. And you lost your faith a million times before. And nothing changed it, and nothing moved it. It's the same meeting, it's the same schedule. So take my hand, dear, let me guide you out of this misery. Let me guide you. It has been a long time, but you realize that you're actually you are free. Yeah, you are free. Let me tell you, you are free. Now you are free. Simple as that. Every time you wake up in the morning and it's still dark. Every time you have to go to a job that you don't love, sleep next to a woman that you don't love, live a life that you don't love, realize tomorrow is a new day. You don't need to obey the rules. The rules never apply to you. There's nothing true about the rules. This may get you in panic, anxiety, make you feel weird, make you feel unaccepted in the mediocre layers of being. But hey, let me take your hand there. Surely you will understand the insanity. You close your eyes. Let me verbalize it one more time. You are free. This is not something I invented. This is not something I came up with. This is not something I only believe in. This is something that is true. This is not something that I run after all alone. It is captivating millions of people, and so could it be you. So could it be you. deep.